The new Alarm.com Touchless Video Doorbell lets you see more, know more, and do more. Now you can do more at the front door, like check on doorstep deliveries. See, hear, and speak to visitors, tall and small. Watch live video feeds anywhere, anytime. And you can keep you and your visitors safe with two-way audio and a touch-free doorbell experience.
Thanks, you can leave them right there. I'll be out in a minute.
Stay in the know about moments that matter with round-the-clock smart alerts. And the video doorbell works seamlessly with the Alarm.com app, so you can disarm your system, adjust the lights, or unlock the front door right from the doorbell call screen. With Alarm.com, front door awareness has never been easier. Visit Alarm.com to find your local service provider and learn more.